Hello guys and welcome. In today's video I'm just going to show you an overview of my Harvard project management simulation and scope, resources and schedule for my scenario D. So here you'll see that the number of points that I managed to get 653 out of 925 points. So if you look at my screen, you see that this was level 4 because we had done level 1, 2, 3, so this one is level 4. My objectives for the scenario, we have like this, the scope being level 4. My target schedule was I was to complete it within 12 weeks. Then my target, I was to complete the task with a budget of below or equal or below to $40,000. And managing my project, I see that for level 4 I had to complete 200 tasks. My schedule was to be 12 weeks. Then the resources, I had to work with below 40,000 or close to 40,000. Then in terms of me, I also have to have the meetings like the one-on-one, the stand-up, the status review, and also I should decide the number of prototypes that I'll be offering. So analyzing the results, you see that here my team mood, this is my average team mood for my game. Like while I was playing the game, this is the average team mood. Then in terms of schedule, I was on schedule. You can see that I was on schedule, just right on time. But in terms of cumulative cost, I was over budget, because what I realized is that if you want to complete a given task for a given period of time, you'll have to increase the number of workers and also the number of meetings. And by you doing that, it's somehow expensive, because you have to meet the deadlines. So if you try to invest more, it will end up being more expensive. That's why you are seeing that I'm over budget. Then in terms of the project progress, this is my summary. Then the resources, you can see that my team size was for the week 11 was 5. Then my team statistics, you can see here is it. Team process, this is the average team mood again. The morale is here. The hours worked per person and the stress level, because you see, for you to if you employ so many people, it will be very, very expensive. So you just have to have a given portion, like the one which is manageable and within your budget. Then you have the management targets. Here is just a summary. Then in terms of my final rating, in terms of my project score rating, I had 125 out of 125 possible points. In terms of my project schedule rating, I had 300 out of 300, because I was over budget. That's why you are seeing that my project resource rating is 160 out of 200. Then for this other one, we have team process rating. It was 68 out of 100%. So that's it for today. Have a nice time.